Good afternoon from the beautiful Black Hills of South Dakota. Hi, I'm Faye Swinson, independent sales rep and national recruiter with Avon. And uh, hi, Faye Swinson, independent sales rep from the beautiful Black Hills of South Dakota. Today I'm talking about campaign 15, all kinds of hydration, and we need it this time of the year. Um, I'm just going to kind of start from this end and go to the way because then I'll get into my fun stuff. At the very end over here, I'm going to put this close. We have a charcoal bamboo scrub, and it comes with a pump. And charcoal is one that will help detoxify your body. And also the scrub will help if you're going to use a self tanner. You should definitely use one of those first. And also in that line, we have soaps. We have a bunch of different soaps. And so I think they're kind of fun. My husband loves soaps. And so I thought I'm going to get a bunch of them for him to try. Haven't given them to him yet, but I will let him try them and let you know what they and are like. And then in our defense line, we have actual hand soaps. And they're in our little flyers, and they're not in the brochures, they're on the flyer. But if you go put in Avon Defense or self care, you'll be able to find all these kind of products. And we also have the masks and all kinds of other fun stuff in there. And then on the back cover of this catalog, we have hemp soap as well as hemp um, um, a shower shake, so shower gels, and those are on the back cover. And like I told you last time, when you do your brows, it is like, hi, Brandy, thanks for joining. Um, it's like an instant facelift when you do your brows, and I have been loving our new brow definers. And this time we have a new one, and it's in a gel form, and it's just a little pot. But what's kind of cool is it comes with this brush. I think it's just an awesome brush. This one is like a little fine tip, and then this side is a brow brush you can get. So you can, I'm one, I love that. And that's one of the reasons I love this brush too, is because it has a brush at this end. But yeah, do your brows, and it's like an instant facelift. Makes you look younger. And you know me in skincare, I love skincare. And if you have dark circles and around under your eyes, this vitamin C eye serum, it's one with a pump. It will help with that. And um, when you that time of the month, women's eyes do get the darker. So this would be a perfect time to be trying this one so you can really see how it's like. Um, so, and then the Belief line. I really like the Belief line, the Aqua Bomb and that. And we have the full size, but it's not in a jar. It's in a little tube. It's the full size of it. And a small of the travel size of the gel cleanser, and it comes in this tumbler, and it's a reusable tumbler. It's really nice, and it has the drink spouts on it, so you can carry it around. And then it has this nice little gripper so that if it is hot, you can do it. And what's kind of cool is you pay for the price of the full size product of the Aqua Bomb or the Moisture Bomb, and you get, it's like getting the tumbler and the cleanser for free. I do love the vitamin C stuff, and we have a lot of stuff in that, Brenda. We also have a moisturizer that has a primer built into it, so do check that out. Our new census line, we have a bunch of new smells. Why I got this body spray is, if you're like me, I'm a burn and peel if I don't put something on, and aloe is a really good thing if you get too much sun. And I can't reach back here. And so I just got this, and I put this on. It smells good, but it also cools that spot where you sunburn. I put my hair up the other day. My back usually never sees the light of day because I have too much hair. But this is wonderful for that. But we have the 3 different fragrances that it comes in. So that's kind of a yummy thing. And our hair, this time of the year, a lot of people put the sun, are out in the sun more, so it damages your hair. We also have hair masks. and so it's like a deep conditioner for your hair. So it's like once a week at least, and it'll get your hair back on track. And then if you're putting your hair in a ponytail, and you have straight hair, this would be like the most awesome serum, and it comes with a pump as well. And you well, I'll give your hair some shine, but it helps smooth it out. So, and look how big of a container this is. So it's gonna last you a long time because it doesn't take a whole lot. But when you do your ponytail, you can smooth out your hair and make it look good. And bugs are out. So we have our towelettes as well as all of our other bugs things. And of course, they're on sale. So check them out and be protected from all those mosquitoes and such. And for the little ones, we now have a sunscreen SPF 50. We have a new line, and then look at this fun toothpaste. It has like 3D things on it, and there's all kinds of different things in the kids line, toothbrushes and all kinds of different things for them. Um, do you like my lips? This is the lip color I have on. It's just a real natural one. It's it's a lip crayon, but they're called birthday balms. They have shea butter in them. And the way they're shaped, it's really easy to put it on. And if you notice, I put it on so I keep that little apple of the eye. And, but there's like 6 different colors. And this one, let's see if I can remember what the color was. Birthday Sweet is the name of this one. Yes, do check that sprays out because they are wonderful. And you are like colored like I am, Brenda. Um, And then we have this new line. It's over the counter um, pain relievers for arthritis, achy pains, back pain, joint pains, and triple antibiotic ointments, so you can keep infections away. And we just want everybody to be really safe. And this is a really neat way to get stuff for yourself. And I'll quick show you. Look at all the things in our little medicine cabinet that you can get. Nasal sprays and arthritis pain relief cream, athlete's foot cream, the antibiotic one, an anti-itch cream with healing aloe. So yeah, we have some aloe kind of things. And then, oh, I forgot to tell you this. When you're doing in the kids line, in the bug guard, notice this one. It's new. It's um, bug guard with sunscreen and aloe in it for kids. And well, for anybody, it doesn't have to be just kids. But I thought that would, and it's just a limited edition. So if you're wanting to try it, get it now. And then notice we've been having a lot of um, house kind of products, and I'm loving our house products. They sent me a package of these in my little care package, and I love these. There's 60 of them in there, and they're great for cleaning your tables and your stove. One of these days I'll have a stove again. I can't wait. I'm getting closer. I keep telling myself I'm getting closer. Your sinks and your tile and your refrigerator, but there's 60 of these, and they really work nice. They really clean up nice. But this is one of my. I'm so glad I got one of these in my box. I'm not an ironer, so if over the years I've gotten worse and worse about ironing anything. And this fabric refresher has a wrinkle out in it, and you just lay your product, your whatever. Like today, I wore this in a while, and so it was really wrinkly. And I laid it on the bed, sprayed it on there, and just kind of did this, and the wrinkles came out. So I loved that. So, bunch of different products for you. But like I said, the little these all these kind of products. I have the flyer. I gave it out in with my campaign 14 books. They're good for a while, as well as if you just look at them on my e-store or your representative's e-store. That's great for that. And then remember, we can always back order one brochure, and um, the little flyers are good too. And I think today, oh, I have not showed you my jewelry. Look at this gorgeous set. It's 4 different bracelets come as a set. And look at the beautiful stones in it. And I just really, really, really like it. And they're stretch, so they're easy to get on and off. And then they have these beautiful earrings. I have a little bit of a heart look in with them, and I do love hearts, and it has those same kind of stones. But I mixed it with, it does have another necklace that has this and more layers of beads, but I wanted just a little bit. So it has this choker one with the abalone, and because I wore my abalone ring, but it also has another ring. And that's it for today. Always check out all the specials and stuff, because we do have a special section, and the good buys, if you ever want it. If you remember the outlet, well, now they're called good buys, and those are available as well, but only by, you have to search them under the specials. So thanks much. Faye Swinson, independent sales rep and national recruiter with Avon. Have a great one. Enjoy summer. It's here.